Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you're going to be taping the tip of your tote bag. So what I'm going to be doing now is to take the measurements of my tote bag roundabout, like from the beginning here. I'm going to measure it round to know the exact measurements of the leather I'm going to be using to tape the top of this bag, as you are seeing. So I'm going to carefully measure the upper parts round. Make sure that you are exact. So I'm going to stop at the place where I started from, and I can just add like half inches to it, so that give me 32 and a half. So I'm just going to be measuring that 32.5 on this leather here. I'm going to be using my marking pen and my ruler to cut out the 32. So I'm going to be measuring 32 in length by 0.7. I mean almost 1 inch, but it's not 1 inch. That's 0.7. That's what I'm going to be using. It's not long enough. It's not up to 32, so I'm going to be using the other side. So I'm starting from where the leather is good, like as you can see here. So I'm marking it out. So that's where I'm going to start. I'm going to mark out my 32.5 inches. 32.5 inches. Just going to be marking that out. 32.5 inches. I'm going to be marking it out. So I have like 4 or 5 bags I want to do, so that's why I extended the length there. So the wideness is 0.75, 0.7. So I can use this my ruler here. It's measured in inches and in centimeters, so I'm going to be using the inches part to measure 0.7. It's not exactly 1 inch, 0.7. So I'm going to be marking like up to like 4 5 spots, so that by the time I use my ruler, it gets to connect and give me a perfect measurement. So now that I'm done with my measurements, I'm going to be using my long ruler to connect the lines together. I'm going to be using my long ruler to connect those dots together and then cut the measurements out accurately. So yeah, I have my tape already. So I'm going to be taping this bag. Same pattern was used and same measurement. So I'm going to be taping the tip of this bag. So this is how to tape it. As you can see, you're just going to carefully fold it into two, and then sew, like you fold the leather in between, like the bag itself, the tip of the bag will be in between the folded leather. That's the folded taping. So I'm just going to carefully, because the leather is quite small, so you have to be smart about it. You have to ensure that your hand is firm, the leather is firm, and then so that it will ensure proper sewing. You'll be able to sew it well and it will stay. So I'm just going to be doing that, and my taping would start.